As winter passes by, spring is just around the corner. Year in, year out. The Chinese people, based on their own calendar system, determined that the first day of the first month is Spring Festival, which marks the beginning of the Chinese New Year. A variety of activities are carried out to bid farewell to the old year, welcome the spring, pray for good fortune, and celebrate family reunion. This process of celebration is called nian. As the Spring Festival approaches, the desire for a family reunion is shared by all those who are living away from home. Spring Festival brings people a wealth of delighted experiences that can be perceived, understood, practiced, observed, and savoured. The Spring Festival continually maintains and strengthens the emotional ties between individuals, families, and the nation, embodying the deep human connections and patriotic sentiments of the Chinese people. It reflects values of harmony between humanity and nature, as well as harmony among people. It has played a significant role in promoting family values, social harmony, and economic development. On December 4th, 2024, Spring Festival, social practices of the Chinese people in celebration of traditional New Year, was inscribed on UNESCO's representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity. The inclusion of this heritage will actively promote dialogue and mutual respect among cultures, contributing more Chinese elements to the diversity of world cultures. Spring Festival carries the common aspirations of the Chinese people, fosters their cultural creativity, and provides a driving force for a better life.